guys, BBM here. So over the weekend, I saw a video of Peller where he mentioned that the Lagos State Internal Revenue Service has issued him a demand notice requesting him to pay a total amount of 36 million naira as tax. So I saw a lot of debate online. Is he meant to pay it? Is he not meant to pay it? And even himself, he was like, oh, sorry, I can't pay this amount. I mean, the young man he freaked out and all of that. So,
yeah, 36 million. Guys, they said the tax now 36 million. Me, I can't pay tax 36 million. You know the money me I saw so much. My manager just tell me now saying that 36 million tax I go pay. That's the reality said I beg. If there is another way, maybe so.
Let's look at it from the regulatory perspective. What does the law say? Does the Lagos State Internal Revenue IRS, do they have the right to actually demand that he pay his fair share to the government? So personal income tax is being regulated by the Personal Income Tax Act 2004 and as amended by subsequent legislation is what actually regulates payment of personal income tax in Nigeria. And so as to mention, Nigeria operates a progressive tax system of pay as you earn, meaning that for every kobo that you earn, you pay your share to the government. So based on the current legislation, let us check, does the LRS have the right to ask Peller or all other social or digital content creator, does the government have the right to ask them to pay? So section 3 subsection 1A of the Personal Income Tax Act says any gain or profits from any trade, business, profession or vocation is subject to personal income tax. And the effective tax rate, it's a scaling system, but the effective tax rate is about 18.68% or all of that. So whatever thing you earn from the business, be it a digital content creator, a freelancer, or a corporate person. For instance, I work with an organization. Before I receive my salary, I pay my share to the government. Every month, I receive email from the LRS informing me that my employer has paid a particular amount on my behalf, which is also essential that everyone who earns income in Nigeria are required to also do the same thing as well.
I can say
in a week
on TikTok, if I'm active on TikTok, I can make maybe 20 million or.
So going forward, let me use this opportunity to address all digital content creators and inform you about the new legislation of the Nigerian Tax Act 2025, which becomes effective from 1st January 2026, that specifically makes provision for electronic and digital content creators to pay taxes in Nigeria. So this is more than Peller. Luckily or unluckily, Peller happens to be one of the content creators that the government wants to begin with. But trust me, the government is coming for everyone, and this is an opportunity for you, clear your house and put your things in place. So what does the Nigerian Tax Act NTA? What does it say? Section 4 subsection 1J of the NTA 2025 says income, profit or gains of a person accruing in or derived from Nigeria, including profit or gains from transactions in digital and virtual assets. Digital, the word digital. So meaning that anything you're doing, be it online, electronic or whatsoever thing, any gain or profit accruing to you in Nigeria is subject to personal income tax in Nigeria. And also virtual assets like cryptocurrency and all of these digital assets, if you make any disposal of them and all of that, they're also subject to personal income tax here in Nigeria. And let's go forward. The Act also define what digital activities are. Electronic or digital activities means the received, emission, transmission of signals, sounds, messages, or data of any kind, radio, electromagnetic systems, or any other electronic or wireless apparatus in respect of any commerce, trade, or activity, including electronic commerce, application store, high-frequency trading, electronic data storage, online advertisements, participative network platform, online gaming, cloud computing, online teaching services, digital content services. So this is where I'm going to. Digital content services. So everyone under this category will be subject to personal income tax under the NTA 2025. So this is an opportunity. If you're a digital content creator, this is the time you need to, get a good tax consultant that, will help you file your returns and make sure that you pay the appropriate tax. And when I mean appropriate, I mean so that you don't overpay, because it's possible you overpay as well. So, and under the NTA, the rate of the tax ranges from 0% to 25%, but the maximum amount that you can pay on your chargeable profits is 25%. And for those who earns below 800,000 naira per year will be exempted from this tax. Let me know what your thoughts are. What do you think? And thank you.